Okay, everyone, let's get ready for a take. Quiet on set and action.
Did you tell her?
I didn't think it mattered.
That wasn't the question.
And cut there. Thank you very much.